My mic died during the intro, so now I've got to refilm it. What is up, my sexy mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at 3 fresh fragrances that I've been wearing recently. But before that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red subscribe button down below, subscribing to the channel, and also, if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down if you disliked it, and yeah, let's talk about some fragrances. Alright, did we get it? I think we got it. And the first fragrance we're going to be talking about is Nautica Voyage Heritage. I picked this up on clearance at the local chemist warehouse for about $10 Australian. 50 ml, you can get $15 bottles that are 100 ml, so I would definitely recommend that. However, even at $10 for 50 ml, this was still an absolute steal. It smells incredible. You get the typical Nautica freshness, and that is always welcome. But Nautica Voyage Heritage has a slight fruitiness. It isn't quite as fruity as Nautica Blue though, so do keep that in mind if you're after something that's quite fruity. But it also has a spiciness, like a vetiver spiciness as it sort of lingers and dries down a little bit. For the money, this is one of the best fresh scents you can buy, in my opinion. It doesn't have the soapiness of Nautica Classic, it doesn't have that really bold fruitiness that Nautica Blue has, but if you're after something that's a little more mature while still retaining a lot of the fresh elements of a lot of the other Nautica scents, Nautica Voyage Heritage is going to be right up your alley. I highly recommend this one. I wore it the other night after I showered and I was just reminded of how good this actually is. It's really good value. The next fragrance that I'm going to be talking about is Hugo Boss Man. Now, I got this 75 ml bottle for $40, but you can get the 125 ml from Chemist Warehouse for about $70, somewhere around there. And at that price, it is better value. This scent is an iconic men's fragrance. The apple note in this is to die for. When you talk about compliment getting men's fragrances, Hugo Boss Man should be right up the top of that list. It's so basic, so simple, so fresh, but it does the job and it does it so well. This scent is iconic. The apple note again is fantastic. There's a woodiness to this one, there's a slight muskiness as well. I can't say enough good things about Hugo Boss Man. I used to think Hugo Boss Man was a kind of generic, boring scent, and to some people it probably is. However, the green apple note in this, and then that woody fir balsam note as it dries down, unbeatable, man. Unbeatable for the price. This is a monster compliment puller. People love the way this one smells. And it's not overpowering, it's not going to stink out a room, it doesn't have any oud stinkiness or any trendy notes like that. This is just green apple and woods. It's a fantastic scent, good value, definitely check this one out. And lastly, Versace Oh Fresh. I'm wearing this one right now because it's warm outside, and as it warms up you want to wear fresher scents, at least I know I do. And yeah, this is the 200 ml bottle, this is the big boy bottle. And I'm never going to use all of this, so you can just reapply it at your leisure. And yeah, this one smells very fruity, very fresh, some bold citrus notes up top, melon. And whilst I don't get any berry fruitiness in this, I do get a lot of melon sort of fruitiness. There are some light florals in here as well, and the citrus up top is just really bright, fresh, vibrant. Some aquatic notes in this one. Some aldehydes maybe, although I wouldn't say the aldehydes play any sort of prominent role here. They just sort of give it a touch of bitterness, a touch of astringency that really helps to keep it from being overly sweet, overly fresh. You know, it's just a really realistic, great scent to wear. And yeah, so this is 200 ml. Priceline typically are the best place to purchase Versace Man Oh Fresh. You can get like the regular, I think it's a 50 ml bottle of Oh Fresh for like $49, or for $69 you can get like 200 ml. So obviously you're gonna go with the 200 ml. It is cheaper than Versace Dylan Blue and Versace Pour Homme, quite a bit cheaper. but I feel like it performs just as well as those ones do. It's a fantastic scent. It's going to be very popular when you're wearing it out, especially in the warmer weather. It smells great, and I highly recommend this one as well. So if you've ever worn any of these 3 fresh scents before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you guys. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.